Hi, it's Thomas from TVR Guitars. In this video we are going to change the direction of one of these Hipshot tuners. So I bought a set of Hipshot HB5 tuners, and to use in a Rickenbacker project. You can see the two tuners are the same direction. Now for a Rickenbacker guitar you need two tuners on the left side, the bass side, and two tuners on the treble side. Now all my tuners are the same, so this won't work. What we are going to do is make the head of this tuner go on this side, so we can use it on the treble side of the guitar. Previous you can't change the direction of an HB5 Hipshot tuner, but they changed it, and now it is possible to change it. It's a very quick change, and all you need is a screwdriver with a cross to loosen this screw, and a hexagon to loosen this bolt. The first thing we are going to do is remove this. So, and we can take this off. Well, this is loose. Be careful, there's a little ring on the other side. Be sure you don't lose it. So that's the first step. The next step is loose this bolt. Oh, I guess this isn't the right thickness, and I'm missing the next one. Over here, I guess this could work. That's better. Afterwards, when we put everything together, this bolt is needed to adjust how hard you turn to tune your guitar. So when this is, we remove the bolt, you can remove the whole head, and you can turn it in on the other side. After that, we can put everything back together. You need to check if you have to put an equal amount of force to change the tuners. So then this on top. And then so, and as you can see, we changed from 2 tuners for the bass side to 1 tuner for the bass side and 1 for the treble side. In fact, you can use this method on almost any open geared tuner. The only thing that's different is every manufacturer has his own system of putting all things together, but it's almost every time the same way.